When Formula One descended on Las Vegas, the race started at LAS. Before drivers ever revved their engines, airport officials were meeting with resort partners, community leaders, and even with airports in other cities that have hosted the race.
We have created a committee of core people for each of the functions within the experience of coming through the airport, so we can make it a great experience.
The race brought with it 8 wide-body aircraft filled with cars and equipment. The team at LAS spent months planning for the arrivals, ultimately executing a cargo operation unlike any they'd seen before. Skilled workers provided security and ensured there was no impact to regular operations.
Max Verstappen puts his name up in lights once again!
After the checkered flag, the airport was once again a hub of cargo activity as the planes were loaded and off to the next race. Henderson Executive and North Las Vegas airports were vital in accommodating a vast number of private aircraft, with hundreds of takeoffs and landings over the course of several days. Gene Sport Aviation Center was even part of the mix, with its ramp space used for overflow aircraft parking.
With the events increasing in size and frequency in the Las Vegas Valley, it's now being used for overflow for Henderson and North Las Vegas airports as well. And we anticipate that Gene will be a big contributor to our ability to house those aircraft that are coming in for events such as F1 and the Super Bowl coming up.
Back at LAS, leadership created a communications hub dedicated to monitoring airport facilities. A direct result of researching other airport special events playbooks, the facility's maintenance communications center was staffed around the clock during the race. A wall of screens allowed staff to keep a close eye on everything from tram operations and baggage handling systems to plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. As a result, workers quickly responded to calls for repair or maintenance. Staff plan to use the communications center again in February for the Super Bowl, and note that it can also be activated in an emergency situation.
Having all this equipment at our hands, we're able to quickly mitigate just about any problem because we can tell staff exactly where the problem is and they'll know exactly where to go.
And to surprise and engage arriving race fans, there were Formula One photo ops set up in baggage claim, along with airport employees offering LAS giveaways.